What is metamorphosis? The change from larva to adult is called metamorphosis. How metamorphosis is controlled in insect hormone. What controls metamorphosis in frogs? In a frog, it is controlled by thyroxine, the hormone produced by thyroid. Why tadpole cannot become adult in some situations? Thyroxine production requires presence of iodine in water. If the water in which tadpole are growing does not contain sufficient iodine, the tadpole cannot become adults. What are nutritional needs of adolescents? Adolescence is a stage of rapid growth and development. Balanced diet means that the meals include protein, carbohydrates, fats, and vitamins in requisite proportion. Milk is a balanced food in itself. Fruits also provide nourishment. Iron builds blood, and iron-rich food such as leafy vegetables, jaggery, meat, citrus, Indian gooseberry that is amla are good for adolescents. Describe the personal hygiene of adolescents. Everyone should have a bath at least once every day. It is more necessary for teenagers because the increased activity of sweat glands sometimes makes the body smelly. All parts of the body should be washed and cleaned every day. If cleanliness is not maintained, there are chances of catching bacterial infection. Girls should take special care of cleanliness during the time of menstrual flow. Use sanitary napkins or clean homemade pads. Change pads after 4 to 5 hours as per the requirements. Why to say no to drugs? Adolescence is a period of much activity in the body and mind, which is a normal part of growing up. So do not feel confused or insecure. Drugs are addictive. If you take them once, you feel like taking them again and again. They harm the body in the long run. They ruin health and happiness. How AIDS is caused? AIDS is caused by a dangerous virus, HIV. This virus can pass on to a normal person from an infected person by sharing the syringes used for injecting drugs. It can also be transmitted to an infant from the infected mother through her milk. The virus can also be transmitted through sexual contact with a person infected with HIV. Why the legal age for marriage is 18 years for girls and 21 years for boys? Teenage mothers are not prepared mentally or physically for motherhood. Early marriage and motherhood cause health problems in the mother and child. It also curtails employment opportunities for the young woman and may cause mental agony as she is not ready for responsibilities of motherhood.